nice morning today. Very great weather. It's very great weather to clean the windows. And I show you how to clean this window. Okay. First, we're gonna do this thing. I did this before, but I don't know if it's still the same. Usually, I pry this here on the side, and then I get it out easily, just like that. Whoop. Like that thing, and this one too. We're gonna take this out. Okay. Use the knife like this, like a thin knife, to take this out. So it's easier to pry and take it out. See? This one too. It's a little bit stubborn here, so we need patience to take this out. Okay. Let's see this thing. Alright, now I took the screen out, and it's really dusty. See, it's dusty. What we're gonna do, I have my improvised broom here. We're gonna dust it off, clean it from outside and inside. Okay, inside. Now we are pretty sure that it's really spick and span. We dust it off, all the dust are out. We'll put that on the side, and we're gonna start cleaning the window. See? Ah, I clean this every month before, but I think I forgot to do my job. I'm a little bit lazy for the past year, so this time I want to clean it up so that I gonna have a beautiful view for this year 2020 in my kitchen. So every time I cook, I have a clean window to see what's going on outside my house. Okay, and let's see, we'll push this inside again and still clean this up. Right, let's see. So the stains, the water stains are out already, and it's almost clear. That, and dust the side off with this little broom I have. Gonna clean the sides. See the dust? Whew. The dust. Take the dust off, and it looks good. And you can see there's still a little stains of water here for this thing, glass cleaner. Even though it's a glass cleaner, when you wipe it with the cloth, there's still a little stain coming, it's sticking in the door. Oh no, not the window. So I'm gonna take that off. Take it off. Okay. And it's clean. Okay, it's clean. Now we are ready to put this in, but we'll put this back so that there will be air getting inside the kitchen. I'll put this back like that. It's almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 1/4 open. If you want more air, more oxygen getting inside your kitchen, pull everything in so you have the half of the window open. So for this time, we're gonna put this inside, and Here's airplane. We're gonna pry it. Yeah. Put that inside. Pry it like that. And same with this. Okay. And there's a little stubborn part here. Now we need to be patient, okay? We're gonna press that inside. Hope everything sits well. There we go. Ta-da! That's it. The window screen. And we're ready for a fresh air to get inside the kitchen. See you next time, my friend. Have a good day and a blessed day. Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.